Hey buddies, welcome back. Today I have come up with a new video which is stylish kurtis with their names. I hope it would be helpful. I know easy pick for every college going girl is obviously kurti, so I thought of making this video. I hope you like this video. So let's get started. The first one we have is handkerchief hem kurti. This is a modern twist on classic asymmetric kurti and perfect for Indo-Western look. Second one is Pintux kurti. The kurti which has pleats in the fabric on the neckline is generally called Pintux kurti. Basically, they are in single colors and paid up for these kurtis are contrasting color. So choose contrasting colors. This is Godet kurti. If you're tired of wearing same classic kurti, then go for it. It is perfect for all body shapes. When we talk about this kurti, Godet is an extra panel of fabric inserted into the dress, as you can see at the bottom of the kurti, which causes it to flare. Well, as the name suggests, it looks like a tulip flower, so it is called tulip kurti. This is not double layer kurti, but it gives you an illusion of same. It is easy pick for everyone because it goes well with every kind of bottom. These are tires kurtis. We have two kinds here. First one is long tires kurti and second one is knee length. One benefit about these kurtis are these add volume to usual body and look extremely classy. By the way, both ethnic and modern jewelry goes with these kurtis and pick accessories according to the look you are aiming for. Just like the name suggests, shape is not identical on both sides. Like it has all sorts of curves and designs, shapes and kurtis. So this is asymmetrical kurti. The plus point about wearing this kurti is that makes you look taller. These are Andraka kurtis. This type of kurtis have contrasting or similar flaps that lay on each other at the side of the chest with the help of straps. Actually, these are ancient kind of kurtis. By the way, these are in a trend now. The next one we have is dhoti style kurti, which has unusual drape style and is very comfortable. It looks so traditional as well as modern. This is peplum kurti. If you want to go for Indo-Western look, then this is the best choice. Go for it. And pair it off with dhoti salwar or patiala. Or you can choose any according to your fashion sense. Well, this is aligned kurti. These kurtis flare down from the waist, forming an A with the length. That is why these kurtis are A-line kurtis. By the way, you have some favorite kurtis, right? Mine is slit kurti. So, what's yours? Comment down below. These are cowl kurtis. It looks like a kind of dhoti draping, which is bold outfit for festivals and wedding. Most people wear this kurtis bottomless but can be paired with stockings, leggings, according to your comfort. Next one we have is slit kurti. It is one of the most in demand fashion trends and there are different kinds like front slit, side slit and sometimes with 3 or 2 slits which goes well with lehenga, otherwise it goes well with jeans. Here we have kaftan kurtis. These are loose fitting cloth with wide drop sleeves. Best pairing for these kurtis are tight pants, leggings, jeggings and also jeans. And these are tail cut kurtis. As the name suggests, it looks like a tail, and it looks longer from behind, shorter from front, and it is so similar to high-low kurtis. The next one we have is cape kurti. I know it is much loud fashion trend. It is great pick for casual as well as festive. This kurtis has an additional cloth accessory which is cape, either stitched to it or a second piece. These are usually worn in festivals or special occasions. Here, this is shirt style kurti. These kurtis are mostly kept simple. It is so popular in Western and Indian culture. It can be worn both in casual and formal setting. The next one we have is high-low kurti. Similar to already mentioned tail kurti, the hem of the front is shorter and back is longer. And these can be worn at multiple occasions from casual to formal. So this is layered kurti. As the name suggests, kurti is designed with layers to give more flair to the outfit, and it looks so classy. They look brilliant when paired with leggings. And this is gown style kurti. Well, gown style kurtis with a normal flare toward the end. These kurtis are known to give a pleasant Indo-Western look. This is ideal pick for special occasions. Coat style kurti. Kurti with statement jacket can create elegant look depending on how one wants to carry it. And heavier version of these kurtis are worn at wedding. So depending on where you are going, you can choose. So the final kurti, pocket style kurti. Every Indian woman must have kurti. Nothing can give you ethnic wear a better contemporary twist than pocket detailing. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.